Hello my beautiful fashion lovers, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be cutting this beautiful neckline design. Okay, yeah, let's go into the video. So after drafting your bodies this way, I'm done drafting my bodies like this. After drafting that, you're going to divide your shoulder into two, just the way I'm mentioning it here. See the way I'm touching the place. You are going to divide into two. You divide your shoulder into two. You give it a point mark, just a point mark to indicate the measurement. Okay. So when you're done doing that, you're going to come down by 3 inches or 4 inches, depending how deep you want it to be. You get. So whatever you choose, you mark it here. Then from that point, you're going to go in by half an inch. You're going to go in by half an inch because you're going to open up. This particular paper is on fold. Okay, so you're going to go in by half an inch. So once you open it, it's going to be wider. All right. So once you're done with that, you get your curve ruler this way. You're going to get it this way. Then from that point, at that depth, from that point there, you're going to make a curve this way. This will determine how deep you want your own to be. If you want it so low to your bust point, you draft it. You use your pattern to curve it to that place. So this place depends on what you want. Okay, so I'm working with what I want here. This is how deep I want it to be, and I mark out. I mark out here. Then from that end, once I'm done marking out this, from that end, I will go ahead to use my curve ruler this way. Just see the way I'm holding it. I'll go ahead to use my curve ruler this way to connect from that middle shoulder that I divided earlier. Can you see? To connect from there to meet this first curve that I've drawn out already. Okay, just watch what I'm doing. The video is self-explanatory. Once I'm done doing that, I curve it this way and the neckline is ready. Can you see? The neckline is ready. Next thing is to cut out what I've measured. Okay, I'll go ahead now to cut it out. And our design is ready. Okay, please my beautiful people, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, and always like and comment. And again, don't forget to share. Please share for others to benefit. Okay, please. Thank you so much for always tuning in and for always watching my videos. I really appreciate. Thank you, my lovers. I really appreciate. So this is a final look of the neckline. Can you see? This is the final look and it's so beautiful. Would you try this beautiful design? As for me, sure, I will. Thanks for watching.